Question number 9. Furniture purchased rupees 1000 has been passed through invoice book. What do you mean by passed through invoice book? Means that I have recorded it as my purchased. But should it be purchased? No, it is an asset coming into the business. So the entry should have been furniture to cash and not purchase to cash. So I'll start solving. Right entry, wrong entry, reverse entry, and finally rectified entry. See, it takes 2 minutes but go step by step, so you eliminate the chances or at least reduce the chances of going wrong. Follow steps at least when you are learning the chapter. So the entry will be furniture account debit because actually furniture has come in. Furniture account debit to cash. But my wrong entry is purchase account debit to cash. So I need to reverse my entry. Cash account debit here and purchase account I am bringing to the credit to purchase account. Now I will compare the right and the reversed entry. Can I cancel something? Yes, I can cancel cash with cash. So my entry will be furniture account debit by 1000. So debited has been put into debit here and credit purchase has been brought here to purchase account. You can also think like this. See what comes in actually you need to debit that. Furniture and being an asset, when asset comes in I have to debit it. So furniture account debit. This is what right I should have actually done. But the wrong which I done was I debited the purchase account. So to rectify my mistake I need to credit the purchase account to purchase account. This is one other way of thinking, but I still recommend that go by the longer method so that even when there is a twist and turn in question you will not go wrong there, because you will not only have simple questions in exam, you will have the ones which are put in a different way. At that time this long method although may take 2 more minutes in exams, but then it is fruitful. You should follow the longer method. That is my recommendation. Question number 10. Rupees 1500 spent on extension of machinery has been debited to wages account. Now what is extension of machinery? When I put some part or something which increases the efficiency of that machinery or the production of that machinery, then it is an extension of machinery. Extension of machinery should always be added to the value of the asset. Whatever is put, if some tools are used, some wages are used, whatever it is, but till it is put to use, the new thing which is put to use or the extension of machinery, whatever the expenses are, you need to add up to the value of the asset. But what they have done, they have debited it to the wages account, but it is not actually wages which has been paid. It has been paid for extension of machinery, and so ideally machinery account should have been debited. So again my steps: right entry, wrong entry, reverse entry, and rectified entry. Let's check it out. My entry should have been machinery account debit to cash because machinery is coming in. machinery account debit to cash, as machinery is coming in. But what I did, I actually debited the wages, treated as wages. Expenses are also debited, so wages being my expense, I debited it. Wages account debit to cash. Now I will reverse the entry, cash account debit to wages account, and now I will compare the right and the reverse entry. Cash and cash I can cancel, so my entry will be machinery account debit to wages account. This is finishing with the 10th question.